Fire and smoke has killed many people than any other forces. So putting forward this fire accident as a major concern, we have decided to take the project on the topic industry specific intelligence fire management system. A warm greetings to all. This is K. Madhvi, the team lead, and team members Prashika, Soumya, and Mari would like to present and demonstrate our project on this topic based on IoT. Let us first take a look into the project demonstration, that is, project documentation. Let us see the report first from the project documentation. IoT, that is the Internet of Things, is the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data. In the world of fire safety, however, its most exciting application in sensors buildings, IoT sensor form a major part of what are known as smart buildings. Smart buildings are properties controlled in part by autonomous computer software known as building management system. These sensors can maintain a specific temperature in different rooms, turns light on and off, and other tasks which benefit from external data. I have also demonstrated the home automation IoT smart home which we have built in the Tinkercad. Next, fire detection system. IoT tech can also improve the fire detection system. For many large facilities, fire alarm systems are a patchwork of different alarms made by different manufacturers with maintenance procedures relying on the readings of each control panel and manual storage. IoT can utilize single point of contact to bring together data of various alarm systems, allowing a user to quickly view, maintain, and logs and data. By sensing exactly where the fire is, the nature of the fire, and whether there are any occupants in the room, a small IoT-enabled fire system can deploy different measures to specify rooms, minimizing damage to the broader facilities. So what are required? In the software required session, we need Python ideally, and system required RAM minimum of 16 GB processor, and OS either Windows, Linux or Mac. Sensor required. The smart fire management system includes a gas sensor, flame sensor, and temperature sensor to detect any changes in the environment. Sprinklers will be switched on automatically if flame is detected. And here the basic block diagram of IoT based intelligent modeling of smart home for fire prevention. It consists of sensor nodes, internet, GSM mobile sync that is made up for alarm to the database. We at first have created the IBM cloud service and configured it. Then we have developed the Python code and published random sensor data to the IBM IoT platform. Then we have published data to the IBM cloud. And then we have developed a web application using Node-RED service. In the project development phase, we have created 4 sprints, that is sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3 and sprint 4. That is for developing and testing the code. And then I have shown the flow diagram of the proposed scheme. Next, let me show the source code from the Git repo that I have collaborated with the IBM platform. So here we go with the 4 assignment and 4 other project sessions in which assignment is done by the team and project it's also done by the team, but it is submitted individually. Let me show the assignment 1 that is done in the Tinkercad. it's in the link format. So let's go in the assignment 2. Assignment 2 was based on temperature and humidity values we have to assume, and then we have to write a condition to continuously detect alarm in case of high temperature. So it's a Python code, whereas assignment 1 was home automation using various sensors. Next, the assignment 3 was based on blinking LED. That is Python code for blinking LED and traffic lights for Raspberry Pi. It's a short code. Next, we got to do assignment 4, that is based on connections in WOWKey for the ultrasonic sensor, and whenever the distance is less than 100 centimeter, send an alert to the IBM cloud and display in the device recent event. And so we got to upload the document with WOWKey, and then we have to share the link as well as IBM cloud images. And there we go with the images. This the code. Next, let us see the repository, that is create and configure IBM cloud service file. This is the IBM Node-RED service creation. Let us see. Node-RED service creation. And there we go with the images. Next, IBM Watson IoT platform creation. Let's see this PDF. And there we go with another images. This is IBM Watson IoT platform account creation. Now let us see the project design and planning, that is the main ideation phase. Empathy maps exist. This is the empathy map made by the empathy map canvas, made on the empathy map canvas. Next, the brainstorm ideas that we have presented. It's taking time to. These are the brainstorming ideas we have uploaded. Next, the literature survey. We uploaded in the PDF form. Here we go with journal title, author name, year, existing system, and processed system. There we go with the literature. Next, the problem statement. Let us see the problem statement. It is in the document format. So what could be the questions? Who does the problem affect? Industries in manufacturing sectors are affected due to the fire. What are the boundaries of the problem? Geographic and confined spaces. What is issue? Unexpected accidental fire in industries which could cause life and property damage. When does the issue occur? Negligence and breaking the standard governmental norms. Where is the issue occurring? Large-scale heavy manufacturing industries are affected during the fire accident. Why is it important that we fix the problem? To create a safe working conditions to reduce the property losses. Next, the problem solution fit and the solution PDF. Let us see this document, that is team ID project industry specific. This is the problem solution fit and the solution. Let us see the proposed solution. What could be the proposed solution? If there exists a problem, there will definitely be a solution. So problem statement, problem we have to solve, that problem to be solved. To improve the safety management system in industries, improving the safety management system against the fire incident in industries. Idea and solution description: to implement the fire safety management in industry based on IoT using Arduino UNO board with fire detection and fire extinguisher system and using some sensors. Novelty, uniqueness, an integrated system of temperature monitoring, gas monitoring, fire detection. What could be the social impact? It early prevents the accident caused by fire in industry nearby locations, so maximum extent more accurate deliberately. Business model, scalability to the solution. It's all given in this PDF. Next, let us see the solution architecture. Here we go with the solution architecture PDF. In this diagram, flame sensor senses the presence of the flame with the help of the temperature sensor. Gas sensor senses gas smoke leakage. Temperature sensor senses the rapid increase in the temperature. Whereas ESP8266 is a Wi-Fi integrated node MCU. No process is triggered if fire is not present. Fire detection. This more like the flow diagram. If fire is detected, triggered alarm will be listen here, could be heard. Turn on the sprinkler. It will turn on the sprinklers and turn on the fans, and also it will send the SMS to the authorized person. So this was the solution architecture. Next, let us see customer journey map. So this is the customer journey map. Entice, enter, engage, exist, and extend. There's a combination of 5 E's. Next, let us go with the data flow diagram and user stories. Here we go with the PDF. This is the team ID. User stories consist of user type, functional requirement, user story number, user story and task, acceptance criteria, priority and release. Next, let us see the solution architecture. So, solution requirement. It consists of functional requirement and the sub requirement. Functional requirement: user registration, confirmation, login, access, upload, solution, and data sync. Sub requirement: registration through website or application, registration through social media, registration through LinkedIn. Confirmation can be done by verification via email or OTP. Login can be done through the website or app. Access could be done by the app requirements. Upload: user should be able to upload the data. Solution: data report should be generated and delivered to user for every 24 hours. User data sync: API interface to increase to invoice system. Next to the technology stack, technical architecture. Here we go with the block diagram of technical architecture. Cloud service: outside consists of IoT device, Python code, and the combination of both could be uploaded in the IBM Watson IoT platform. And the cloud services consist of Node-RED, Web UI, Cloud, and DB. Then it directly meets the user requirement and needs. At first, include all the processes, then provide infrastructural demarcation, indicate external interfaces, indicate data storage components, indicate interface to machine learning models. Here we have demonstrated the components and technology will be used. User interface, application logic 1, 2, 3, and database, cloud database, file storage, external API 1, external API 2, machine learning model, infrastructure. And there we go with the description and technology. Finally, it's the project development phase. There are two sprints, sprint 1 and sprint 2. Let us view it raw. Couldn't be done, so we have to download it. It's in the Word format. So the Word format is being downloaded. It's not visible in the screen. Let's see the sprint 2. Let me click in the view raw. Download is restricted. Let me try again. It's not being downloaded. Sprint 2. It's in the document format. View raw. Download blocked. Okay, let me fix it later. So that's it. That was my project demonstration. Source codes and the documentations and the PDFs that was in my GitHub repositories, which I was collaborated with the IBM platform. So yeah, that was really fun completing the task at a particular deadline. and I really enjoyed completing each milestones and all the sessions. Orientation, whether it was a orientation session or the training session, that was very easy to understand and clear cut to the knowledge. All the assignment and quiz was very interesting and knowledgeable. It was really a knowledgeable session. So yeah, I really enjoyed the process, even though it was little tough to complete it within the deadline. And by combining the IoT data with IBM cloud technologies, business can extract valuable insights to improve virtually every aspect of their opportunities and enable innovation and new business model. Internet of Things is the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the internet. Fire management is the process of planning, preventing, and fighting fire to protect people, property, and the forest resources. It also involves fire to attain forestry, wildlife, and land use objectives. So, however, such alarm systems are sometimes error prone and can react to non-actual indicator of fire presence classified as false warning. There is a need for high quality and intelligent fire alarm system that use multiple sensor values to detect true incident of fire. So that was our project, that is the rapid detection of fire